We created CurlUp Perfecting Lotion because we understand that people with curly hair need a product that can do more than one thing. To apply, I'm just going to put some in my hand, work it through like a lotion, and starting in the back, I'm just going to scrunch it into the shape. Perfecting Lotion is truly one of my favorite products. It enhances curl and controls frizz. But I think the most important thing it does is we all know that curl during the day kind of tends to fall. And with just a little bit of a scrunch, it can bring curly hair back to life. Another tip that I have for Perfecting Lotion, and I use it this way all the time in the salon, is even if I'm trying to put curl into hair that's not necessarily curly, whether it's a pin curl set or a brush set, it's my go-to product to create that beautiful bouncy curl.